my beautiful girls that are watching this video right now. Welcome to my channel. This video, I have something very exciting to announce for you. It's been literally at least 4 months that I'm planning this girls trip to Bali. Like planning this with this travel agency from France. They're called 8 in Asia and they're specialized in like planning trips around Asia. Last year I went to Bali by myself. I did a little like solo trip for 10 days in Bali and I loved it, and like I got my favorite places gathered, and a lot of girls were asking me, oh my god, we need to go to Bali together, I want to go there, literally like Bali is the place to be. It's so beautiful, the people there are so cute, so nice, and my favorite places there were Uluwatu and Ubud. This time we're gonna do a little 10-day trip. Okay, so it's gonna be from the 2nd of July to the 11th. I have all the details in the description. You're gonna have the link to subscribe to the trip if you wanna come with me and all these beautiful girls. And you also have the link with all the details. Okay, so I've gathered like my favorite places, my favorite activities, and also some of you already know, but I'm also a yoga teacher and I'm gonna be giving you like yoga classes during this whole trip, which is gonna be like so fun. So it's really gonna be like a trip around nature, around like connecting with other women from like different countries, because actually my community is all over like Europe, a bit in Brazil, the US. This is the website I'm gonna put in the description. When you see the price, it's everything included, like hotels, like the activities, the transportation. The only thing is not included, there's like one or two, a few times we're doing like free time and then you can eat like whatever you want and all that, but otherwise like the activities are included in the price, as well as all the transportation inside the island. First day we arrive in Bali and then we have like our chauffeur, our car that is gonna take us to Ubud, one of my favorite places there. It's like so chill, so calm, so relaxing, and then we're just gonna have like a relaxing afternoon. Like I think we're gonna be a little bit tired, so it's more like of a chill day, and then we can go out and eat some nasi goreng, like some Indonesian food that is just so good. Second day we're gonna do a cooking class with Balinese people. Sister did it last time when she was in Bali and she loved it, so we're gonna do dadar gulung. Like we're gonna do like special dishes from the island, which, if you know, I love to travel around food, and literally I am a big foodie. I love to eat and I love to eat different things. So yeah, if you're up to it, let's just try like new things and it's gonna be so fun. We have like a purification ceremony. I did it last time. It was so magic. I felt so good afterwards. I felt like so clean, so I don't know, relaxed. It was really something, like I really loved it. Third day we have a yoga class with me, so actually it's like the second full day there. Then we're gonna have like yoga class, and then it's a free day in Ubud, so we can go see the rice fields, like we can go like to the brunch places I've been last time, like to eat fruits and like just go like shopping in the little center of Ubud where I bought like a lot of cool things last time. The fourth day we're gonna go to the north of Bali and we're gonna go to Sekumpu, which you have all the waterfalls, and it's, I have not been there. Friends that went and they told me like it's a must go, like because you have like the most beautiful waterfalls there. Fifth day it's a snorkeling day. The food we have like during the day, it's on you, like it depends on what you want to eat, but food in Bali is really cheap, and also the things there you can buy like souvenirs, nothing to do with the prices in Europe, you know. The sixth day we're going to Permuteran and it's just so beautiful. It's where you have like the most beautiful and unique rice fields, because like in Ubud you have more of like touristy rice fields, but here it's like the real rice fields, you know what I mean. So we're gonna do a little biking tour around there, just get to know like the local culture, the people there. One thing I really like about this agency is that they have a lot of like contacts with local people, so they don't work with this big touristy things in Bali, and they prefer to work like with local people, which I really wanted to do something like more like genuine. You know how I like to travel, maybe you know it, but I don't like to be around like all the touristy things, so we're gonna do like cool things in Bali, you know what I mean? And then this day we're also gonna take the transportation. It's always on a car, and we're gonna go to Uluwatu, which is the beach. We get to like go around Uluwatu in the afternoon. And then on the 7th day we have a free day in Uluwatu. So in this free day there is like so many activities to do in Uluwatu. There is a lot of shopping to do. There is like a lot of beaches. We can just spend like the whole day at the beach chilling, you know, like there's so many things to do in Uluwatu. I have like a big list of things there. On the 8th day we have a sound healing, and we're gonna go to the Uluwatu temple to see this traditional dance that's called Kekak. I went to this temple last year, and I saw like the most beautiful sunset in my life. Okay, on the 9th day we have a yoga class, a little surfing lesson, and if you've never done surfing, like really don't worry. And then after doing a surfing lesson we can chill by the beach, and in the afternoon we're gonna do like a yin yoga class with me. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving you like a more chill class just to relax from an intense surfing lesson. On the 10th day it's our day to go back. So yeah, we're gonna go from Uluwatu to the airport, and then we're gonna have to say goodbye to each other and goodbye to the island, but not goodbye, but see you soon, because you're gonna fall in love with Bali. And yeah, oh my god, it's just like, it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited just to talk about it. I hope I see you in Bali. If you're interested, you can like fill everything, the subscriptions, and you can ask me whatever you want. Hey girls, bisous bisous, I love you and take care, and I hope to see you in Bali.